Right, I've got the tile in position. Let's just get that sucker there. I'll zap around the other side. We're killing it. We're killing it, Jacob.
You probably, oh yeah, you're already doing it. My sister asked me to ask you.
Yeah, we'll just push it in place. Hopefully that's gonna. Okay, the bench is out a little, eh? All right. We'll just bring that out a little, lean it up against the wall. I'll trim a bit off. Okay, I need you. Thanks, Jacob.
Give me a shout.
I'm just cutting a little bit off. I don't know why, but it's I've got to trim a little bit off. It's all good. So, but I'll do it in place. I don't want to take it out again outside, so I'll just do it right here. That's good. I put a piece of tape up there because I didn't want it to fall over. We're laughing. Where's my rubber hammer? Nice. Oh, missed. Don't hit it, don't go hitting it too hard, people. Because it's a big piece and it could break very, very easy. Right, that looks nice and even up the architrave. That's good. That's good. Everything checks out good. What's the length there? 15. Oh, nice. Yeah. So it's a nice little piece in there. I'll be cut that piece. That'll be out of a whole sheet. It's nice. Good. Like you sort of people say, oh, you know, it's only 4 pieces of porcelain, but or 5 pieces of porcelain. but you must check all the time your measurements. Double check, slow down. It's something that you don't go trying to do fast. Slow down, take your time, don't be in a rush, and you won't muck it up. See you soon.